Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today we'll talk about chauffeur or driver business. With fewer people owning cars, primarily due to the cost and hassle, the need for chauffeurs who can drive persons to and from their destinations has grown. This has been coupled with the explosion of taxi and ride apps, including Uber and Lyft, meaning the demand for chauffeurs drivers has never been more. To start your chauffeur driver service, you will need at least one very efficient vehicle to minimize maintenance, depreciation, and petrol, diesel, etc. trick costs. That is Toyota Prius, and be an experienced driver. From here, you can register as a contractor for a company such as Uber, working for yourself with Uber taking a cut, or register as a local taxi firm. You will need a taxi license. With apps such as Uber, the customer acquisition element they take care of. In exchange for a fee for a taxi firm, you will need to drive around looking for customers, stations, business parks, etc. List in local directories. Developing good reviews and provide a phone line for people to book through. Overall, to build a successful local taxi driving business, you will need to provide a great customer experience, drive safely, and be at a competitive price point. Is it? So, thank you so much, guys. Be happy. Take care. Love you. Thank you.